Hello everyone and welcome to PC Tips Pro. Are you tired of your Google site looking plain and lifeless and want to grab your visitors' attention right away? Then in this video, I'll show you exactly how to add large eye-catching image carousels to your Google sites step by step. These dynamic visuals will help boost engagement and give your website that professional edge. So let's dive right in. Now, firstly, why do carousels matter? Image carousels aren't just pretty, they are powerful. Enhance your site's visual appeal, helps you showcase important content like promotions, events, or features, and most importantly, they keep your visitors engaged for a longer period of time. So, whether you're building a personal portfolio, business site, or classroom hub, a carousel can make a big difference. So, to get started, go to sites.google.com and open the site where you want to add your image carousel. So, once your site loads, navigate to the page where you want the carousel to appear and then just click into edit mode. So, if you're not already editing, make sure you have enough space for a large visual. I recommend placing the carousel near the top of your page for maximum impact. Now for the fun part, inserting your carousel. So on the right hand side, go to the Insert tab and then from here just click on the Images option. And now a window will pop up where you can upload images from your computer or choose from Google Drive or by URL. So just click on Upload and now just go ahead and choose in your images which you want to include. Then just click on Open. And there you go, your image is uploaded here. So you can go ahead and even add in more images if you want. And now once your image is uploaded, you can drag to rearrange the image order. You can even upload it on the front to make your site more aesthetically pleasing. So as a viewer, when I visit a site, the first thing I look for is an image. So it would be good if you include an image in the top of your site. Now you can even go ahead and make it longer or shorter depending on the type of space which is available to you. So just go ahead and make it more aesthetically pleasing. Now, once all of your images are added, if you click on that and then just click on this three dot option, from here you can even go ahead and add in captions or text. So if you click on the captions option, now you can go ahead and add in a short caption to describe your image. It's great if you want to describe what each image looks like. And now if you click on this text option, so this is an option which is accessed by screen readers for people who might have trouble seeing your content. So just go ahead and add in a description of your image. Or if it's just a decorative image, then just choose that and then click on apply. While Google Sites Carousel is simple and easy to use, it doesn't support autoplay or transition speed settings. Visitors can manually browse using arrows. So, for more control, you can embed a third party carousel or presentation. Or you can go ahead and use a platform like Wix or WordPress, which offers full control. So, go ahead and resize the carousel by dragging the corners, adjust spacing between sections, and align the carousel center left or right. And now if you want a unified look, then from the left hand side, just go to the themes tab and then just choose a color scheme complements your image. Now make sure to use high resolution images with the same aspect ratio to keep your carousel smooth and clean. So now just go ahead and click on the preview option. And so now from here, you can see how your carousels look in action. So once you're happy with your site, just click on publish, add in your web address, and then just hit on publish. Then go ahead and copy the site link and share it across your social media, email, or QR codes. And if you want to track how your carousel is performing, then integrate it with Google Analytics for basic traffic data right inside Google Sites. So, well, that's it. You've just added a sleek professional image carousel to your Google Sites without any coding. So, if this video helped you out, hit that like button and please do not forget to subscribe to PC Tips Pro for more useful tech tips. And if you have any queries regarding this video, do make sure to put them in the comments box below. Thank you and have a nice day.